Hello and welcome to this analysis of Network 18 Media. So I'm trying to do it via Ichimoku, and we can see that the stock had a very pretty decent decline from 2007 March all the way to 2020. So that's 13 years of decline from 600 all the way down to 12, and from there, attempts to rally have come in the stock. Network 18 is India's second largest digital media player, and it has a market cap of 6,000 crores. Its ROC is 4%, and promoter holding 75, FII holding 5.6%, domestic institutions hold 0.6%, public is holding around 18.8%. The highest non-promoter holder of the stock is Acacia Partners at 2.47%, and the Government Pension Fund of Norway, which is around 1.9%. Now, coming into the technicals of the stock, in the monthly, after trying to give an Ichimoku breakout, it's done a pullback. Now, the pullback is near a very strong support base of 42 all the way down to 36 odd in the monthly. Let's have a look at the weekly before we come back here. Weekly also, we can see a descending lower low and lower high formation ever since December 2021. A little bit of sharp move came in March. After that, nothing much out there. In the daily, we are trying to go out, but again in a very slanting fashion. In the lower time frame in the daily, yes, trying to make higher lows and higher highs out here, but still not a clean breakout in the daily out here. Now, from the higher time frame point of view, this structure, if we look at it, looks kind of like a head and shoulder inverse head and shoulder being formed very early to confirm this kind of a move. It's more not a conservative one. So we have a move which is more like this, more slanting upward channel taking place out there. But even if we don't look at it from that angle out here, the Ichimoku is suggesting that this pullback could be a worthwhile entry into the stock accordingly. So, not exactly a dynamic inverse head and shoulder, but has the properties of which could play out into a big one in this case. The support out here after this trend line breakout which took place out here, yeah, is the stock is in that pullback mode out here, and that pullback is coming exactly at that monthly Ichimoku support area of 40 to 36, 38, like that. From there, one can expect a turnaround to happen, which could pull the stock all the way upward. Again, as you can see out here, that the stock took a hit from this level. Right, this is almost it tried to do here. Go back here. So now, the first resistance is around here, 72. So there is this wall which is forming out here currently between 68, 62 rather, to 72. Anything above that starts sustaining on a weekly basis. The stock could push its way towards 130, this time try to break it, and then the next major resistance for it will come somewhere here, 270. Before that, a minor resistance would come at 175, like this. So potential for upside good. Let it go above 72 to this zone, 68 to 72, good sharp up move possible, while downside, strong support at that 38 to 36 level. However, if there's a risk in the stock, the risk will increase if it fails to hold 31. Failure to hold 31 would mean that again a downtrend move has started, and this rise was a false move. It would start pushing its way down again, and that would become bad for the stock. So, from all perspectives, 3130 needs to be saved. Above 72, strong move towards 130, 175, everything possible. Media stocks overall, even the other ones are also showing some promise after a major downtrend of 13 years of good turnaround possibility in them. So, disclaimer before I wind this up. Please do not consider this as a trading advice or an investing. It's for educational purposes only. Please do your research thoroughly before investing in the stock. Until then, happy investing.